Gua Sha, Unlocking Radiant Skin Secrets. Attention-grabbing introduction. Are you looking for a natural and holistic way to revitalize your skin, reduce fine lines, and achieve that radiant glow you've always dreamed of? Look no further than Gua Sha, an ancient Chinese technique that's been gaining immense popularity in the world of skincare. In this professional video, we will delve into the world of Gua Sha, uncover its fascinating history, and explore the incredible benefits it offers for your skin. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to embark on a journey towards healthier and more beautiful skin. Background. Gua Sha, which translates to scraping or press stroking in Chinese, is a practice that dates back thousands of years. Originally used as a traditional Chinese medical treatment, it has now found its way into the modern beauty and wellness scene, thanks to its remarkable skin-enhancing benefits. Benefits for skin. 1. Improved circulation. Gua Sha involves gently scraping the skin with a smooth-edged tool, typically made from jade or rose quartz. This motion increases blood flow to the treated area, leading to a natural flush of the skin. Enhanced circulation delivers vital nutrients and oxygen to your skin cells, promoting a vibrant, healthy complexion. 2. Lymphatic drainage. The gentle pressure applied during Gua Sha helps to stimulate the lymphatic system, aiding in the removal of toxins and reducing puffiness. This can be especially beneficial in decongesting the delicate under-eye area, leaving you looking refreshed and more awake. 3. Tightening and firming. Regular Gua Sha practice can promote collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin's elasticity and suppleness. As a result, you can expect firmer and tighter skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 4. Natural contouring. The sculpting and lifting motions of Gua Sha can be used to contour and define your facial features. With consistent use, you can achieve a more sculpted jawline, lifted cheekbones, and a well-defined neck and décolletage. 5. Relaxation and stress reduction. Gua Sha is not just about physical benefits. The ritualistic aspect of the practice can promote relaxation and stress reduction. Taking a few minutes each day to perform Gua Sha can help reduce tension, leaving you with a more serene and peaceful mind. 6. Enhanced product absorption. Gua Sha can significantly enhance the absorption of your skincare products. By massaging your serums and moisturizers with the tool, you ensure that the active ingredients penetrate more deeply into your skin, making them more effective. How to use Gua Sha. 1. Preparation. Start with clean, moistured skin. Apply a few drops of your favorite facial oil or serum to create a smooth gliding surface. 2. Technique. Use the Gua Sha tool in gentle, upward strokes, following a specific pattern for each area of your face. Always maintain a light touch to avoid any discomfort or bruising. 3. Consistency. Consistency is key. Incorporate Gua Sha into your skincare routine, ideally on a daily basis. The more you practice, the better the results. 4. Cleanse the tool. Ensure that you clean your Gua Sha tool after each use to prevent the buildup of bacteria. Conclusion. Incorporating Gua Sha into your daily skincare routine can unlock the secrets to radiant, youthful, and healthy skin. The benefits of improved circulation, lymphatic drainage, and natural contouring can help you achieve a glowing complexion. So, why not give this ancient practice a try and take your skincare to the next level? You'll be amazed at the transformative effects of Gua Sha. Get started on your journey to beautiful skin today.